guys, this is my tutorial for a Santa University UV DTF tumbler with candy cane handle. For prep, I have already sanded my tumbler and sprayed it with white spray paint. Now I am ready to apply my glitter. I'll be applying my glitter with the epoxy method because y'all know how I roll, but please, if you have a way to apply your glitter that is more comfortable to you, then please do so, fam, okay? Do it. Let your glitter layer cure, then seal with a coat of epoxy so it's nice and smooth. Now we are ready to apply our UV DTFs from PDB Creative Studio. They are all linked below in the description box, as well as a discount code to save you some coins, because we all know it is almost Thanksgiving and Christmas, and if you can save some coins, yes. So be sure to check it out. Now fam, my camera was positioned perfectly with my tumbler in frame, but it was loose on my stand and I didn't realize it till I sat down to edit this video. Thankfully, this portion of the tumbler tutorial is pretty straightforward, but still, I am so sorry. Oh my word. One thing I did do to help me wrap the plaid was to cut off the last section of the plaid to apply it after I wrapped the tumbler, just in case the lines wouldn't have met up correctly. I applied it right after, just in case I needed to tweak the wrap. I am now going to take the Santa, bows, and gingerbread men and apply them separately to space them how I want on the tumbler. This wrap is actually for those 12-ounce glass tumblers, but you can also absolutely use these wraps for any tumbler size. You just have to finagle it a bit. I'll also use the pieces to help cover the seam since it's a tad lopsided. And since I applied the rest of the decals off frame, here is the tumbler with the decals applied. I'm so sorry, y'all, but hopefully you get the gist. Hooray! We are back in frame. Woohoo! For the handle, I grabbed the candy cane handle from Dimensional Drinks. Link and discount code is in the description box down below. I'll first be doing the white portion using the tack it method with Southern Belle Glitter Foil Glue Adhesive. Now, can you use tack it glue? Absolutely, but tack it glue hates me, so we are no longer on speaking terms, so I use Southern Belle Glitter Glue. I'm going to use the leftover glitter and mix it with UV resin and seal my candy cane with the white glittered UV resin. My candy cane is all cured, and now I'm ready to apply my red stripes. For the stripes, I'm going to use electrical tape and tape the handle. If you're wondering why I'm using electrical tape and not painter's tape, I just think the electrical tape is the perfect width for the stripes, but you can use whatever you want, okay? Use whatever you want. For my base color, I'm using Rust-Oleum's Poppy Red, but use whatever color you're doing for your candy cane. When it's dry, we can now apply our red glitter. I'm going to be using extra fine glitter from PDB called Apple Crisp. If you do not have it, a good substitute is the microfine version of Scorpion. The one I have is the fine version, but the microfine will work as well. When you're all finished, go ahead and peel up your tape and then seal it with a couple of coats of triple thick spray to keep that red glitter where it is. Then we'll be ready to attach it to the tumbler. I usually attach my handles by sticking it right onto wet epoxy, but decided to go ahead and attach it using UV resin and then seal with epoxy. I'm not adding the resin under the handle, only on the side, then curing the resin with my UV light. When you're all done attaching your handle, seal with a coat of epoxy and add some extra glitter while you are at it. I'll be using a custom white chunky mix that I have to kind of imitate snow, but you can use whatever you like. Let this layer cure, then seal with a final coat of epoxy so it's nice and smooth. Then you'll be ready to decorate the bottom. When you pop off the bottom of your tumbler, be sure to save it. We'll be using it to cut our plaid UV DTF in a little bit. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I absolutely love how this tumbler came together with the decals and the handle. So stinking cute. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support allows me to do what I do, and it means the absolute world, the galaxy, the universe even. Have fun making your Santa University tumblers, and I will see you again next time.